So here is it. When you log in, you are welcome back to this class. And then in this class today, this morning, we'll be looking at the engagement advert using the engagement objective, just like we have discussed previously before now on other objective, and then what they actually stand to do, and then how we can actually use them. So this is another full practical of it. We have been discussing about everything, and that is what I call theoretical practical, but this is the main practical right now. Alright, so let's go on. Click on Ad Manager. When you click on Ad Manager, you allow it to load. Once it has loaded, ignore all this thing that you're seeing on my screen. You might not see that on your own screen. Then click on Create. Click on Create. You see from the 6 objectives that you have here, so the first one we will be using as a case study to look into the subject of matters of today is engagement. So click on the engagement, and you know the objective, you know the reason for this already. Say get more messages, video, view, and post. So we want to get more messages for people that are having this issue we are using as the subject of matters here. Alright, click on continue. When you click on continue, I have also explained these 3 levels for us. So the first thing we need to do, you can leave it as a default like this, but me, I always like to change it. Alright, so I will change it to 7 figures campaign. If you don't believe this will generate 7 figures for you, then because I so much believe. Alright, so the budget we'll be using for this, is 1,500 as daily budget. Is here. You can spend up to, how much did I put? Okay. You can spend up to 1,008 on some days, and then you spend about 1,500 per day, and no more than 10,500 per calendar week. What they are trying to let us understand here is that since your advert is spending 1,500 per day, in some days you might spend 1,800, and then in some day you will even spend less than 1,500. But the cumulative of it, if you run consecutively for a good 7 days, you cannot spend more than 10,500. That is 1,500 times 7. I guess that will give you how much? 10,500. And that is what they are trying to explain in the whole context of what we are seeing right now. So you just click on next. When you click on next, so I would also like to change this to 7 figures hard set. 7 figures hard set. Alright, so now the conversion location, it says choose where you want to drive your engagement to. That is where you want to drive all your audience and everybody that are on Facebook. Where do you want to drive them to? Where do you want to drive them to? Where do you want to drive them to? So because we want them to come chat us on our DM, you can see messaging app, get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. So we want them to come on WhatsApp, right? And there's no any other option here that says WhatsApp, right? So scroll down, and then leave this. Select the page you want to use. So you can select the page you want to use. Let me use Dr. Emmanuel. I don't want to use Dr. Emmanuel because Dr. Emmanuel, well, let me use Dr. Emmanuel, but I asked every one of us to create page yesterday. I asked every one of us to create page and do page moderation, which I believe we all have done that. So when you scroll down, it's going to show like this: messaging app. Which of the messaging app do you want to use? Is it Instagram? Is it WhatsApp? Is it this? So because I don't want, okay, I get this page is restricted, that is why I can't select. So let me just use another page. Let me use this Oladi. So now look at it. I'm unable to check any of this. The reason being that I have not connected my Instagram account to it, and I have not connected my WhatsApp to it. So the easiest way for me to get that done is that let me click on connect. So if you click on connect, they will ask you to input your phone number that you want to link, the WhatsApp phone number you want to link. So because I have a phone number that I use for this purpose, and which is 90279174, right? 09027979174, and then immediately they are going to send a code. Install WhatsApp business. It is a WhatsApp business already. 9174. Sorry, that was a mistake. 9174. Yes. Nine zero two seven nine seven 9174. So connect to WhatsApp. Immediately they just send a WhatsApp code to me right now, and then let me go and copy the code. Alright. Oh, this might take forever to load, but let me do that organically. Let me do that manually. So the code they have sent to me is 83. So it is 83020, which is the code sent. Let me confirm. Done. You can see now I can check WhatsApp. Because I just want all of them to come to my WhatsApp. I will uncheck this messenger. They should just come to my WhatsApp direct. So when I scroll down, this is budget and schedule. Make sure you schedule this for tomorrow, 12 a.m. Alright, 12 a.m. Then I scroll down. This audience, because I have an audience that I have video up here, so I can just come here and start whatsoever I want to start. So part of your audience demography and the like is this. Now country, location. So because I know that the solution I want to provide, it is not limited to one particular state, it is always available in Nigeria, which is why I am selecting Nigeria. But if you know the kind of service you want to render for someone, it is not just in Nigeria alone. You can always come here and type. You can see you have different country here. You have Ghana. You see Ghana country region. You can, in fact, you can target any country here. Let's say United Kingdom. Yeah, you can see it here. You can tag any country here. Any country, you can target them here. So if what you are doing is not just limited to Nigeria, and then from your client or from your customer, or from your prospect, you have confirmed that okay, they want it to be shown to people outside Nigeria, so then you can go ahead. But if it is people in Nigeria but not everybody in Nigeria, then you also need to be very smart. No, don't put Nigeria, because if you put Nigeria, that means all the whole states in Nigeria, you start getting from Maiduguri, from Abraka, a lot everywhere in Nigeria. But that's why I used to say ask a lot of questions before you embark on journey like this. So if I know that what I want to do for you is you just have it maybe within Lagos, then I can just come here and type Lagos. you will see there Lagos as a state. So even though in Lagos there are some area that is not available, for example in Lagos we have Lagos Island and we have Lagos Mainland. So let's now assume it is on island. So let me just say I can now say maybe Aja. You can see Aja Lagos. You can see, let me put VGC. You can see VGC Lekki Lagos. I hope you understand. Maybe Agungi. So everywhere you can always, okay, this is Agungi. You see Agungi Lagos as well. Let me just, okay, look at it here. Agungi.
Hello, sir.
A lot of
Hello.
Osapa. I'm just using location on the island. All right. So.
Hello, can you hear me?
Let's say Admiralty Road. Admiralty. Did I get the spelling like this? Well, you can search for any location you want to search for. All right. So anywhere you want to, let's say Ikoyi, because I know those places very well. So you can always tag the particular location, but you can always do all this thing that I'm doing now if we have asked questions very well, so that you will not just be running adverts and the advert will be shown to people in Kano, whereas what is needed is just within Lagos. So do you now want someone to now travel down from Kano to come and do that same thing? So you need to let all these things to be well understood. For example, me, I have come across a lot of people that say what they are selling for now, they just want to sell within Lagos. In fact, some people will tell you that within Ikorodu alone. So if you know area in Ikorodu, you can also bring them here. Let's say Berigbe. I think I know Berigbe. Okay, that's Berigbe. Yes, Berigbe. It is one village in Ikorodu. So you can always do your proper tagging here. Target the right location, provided you know the right one to target. So, but for the sake of what we want to do, because it is available everywhere, let me just put Nigeria to get Nigeria. All right, Nigeria. Okay, you see immediately I put Nigeria, every other thing disappear because they are still under Nigeria. Your audience location has been changed to from Aja blah 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 and then Osaka blah blah to Nigeria. So I'm not undoing any change. And then age, I know age to target here. The medication is not from people that is under 18. And then even though 18 years old want to buy it, does he have the money to buy it? So I'll be starting from 24. But let's just start from 23. Alright, so for all gender. Now, this particular thing now, this Gando product now, we will leave it on all gender. The reason being that some women are not happy the way their oga is performing in the other room. Are you with me? Some women are not happy the way their oga is performing in the other room, and then they don't want to go outside to go and meet Emeka or Noso to service their engine for them, or to go and meet Emmanuel. So what they want to do is that they want to get the full capacity from their oga, getting it from their oga. So when they now see your advert, they can even come and ask for recommendation so that they can get the recommendation for their oga, which is the reason we will be leaving this home. All right, so scroll down. Now, advantage placement and the manual placement, these two things is very important. Now, Advantage, I think I have explained it in the previous video. Advantage placement and the manual placement. In advantage placement, what Facebook is going to do is that they are going to display the advert on Facebook, they are going to display it on Audience Network, they are going to display it on Messenger, and they are going to display it on their Instagram. But because I don't want them to go display it all on all these 4 platforms, I just want it to be on Facebook. So I'll click on manual placement, then I select Facebook only. You see, I uncheck everything. I just want it to be shown on Facebook only. You know the reason I am saying that. All right, so now because the creative I want to use is image, I am not using video. So what I need to do is that, let me click here and then uncheck the video. Uncheck the video. That's what I want to do. Look at it here, video feed. I am unchecking video feed. So anything that has to do is video here, I'm going to remove it. Stories and reels. Okay, in-stream is not already. Then scroll down and then click on next. So when you click on it, just like I have explained to us before, just like I have explained to us before, that this last phase is the execution point. So because it's the execution point, we need to put everything there before the executions begin. Then I scroll up. Okay, I can change this because I just want it to be 7 figures. And then 7 figures. Hard. Scroll down. Then the creative. You know, we have talked about the 5 things that made up of the Facebook advert. Now here is where we are implementing everything now. So let me add the image. Alright, so once you get here, click on upload. Then you are going to see the image here. You know where the image will be on your own system, so search for it and then select it, then open. Next. So here, please make sure everything is on original. Sometimes they will give you suggestion that this is the recommended, and if you just do that mistake and then let it go on the 9:16, that means this is how it's going to display to your audience. So I always like it to be on original. Whether the original is the recommended or not, I will leave it on the original. Then click on next. Then done. You can see it's looking at like the 7 things, the 5 things that make up the Facebook. As now we have our page which is already, we have our creative, and then let's scroll down. When you scroll down, so my primary text, because I don't have any for now, but let me quickly type something here. If you cannot perform very well in the other room, and show your wife and show your madam that you are the right man she needed in the other room to satisfy her wella. Satisfy her wella. Waiting you gain. Waiting you gain. Waiting you gain. Waiting you gain. Come, let me show you the natural way. Let me show you the natural way. Let me show you how you can become a new man in the other room. From 30 seconds to minimum of 30 minutes. Come, let me show you how you can become a new man in the other room from 30 seconds to minimum of 30 minutes. Let me just do it this way, to 30 minutes. From 30 seconds to minimum of 30 minutes. Click the link below now to click the link or button below now to chat me up for a solution in becoming a stronger hand. Okay, I use one word on this image. Play harder and last longer. Okay, I want to put that in there. Click the link below to chat. Appear twice. Click the link below to chat. Click the link below to chat me up for a solution to play harder. And last longer in the other room. Then now what you need to do now is that you just need to go here, put it there, WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link. Create a WhatsApp link, which I believe many of us know how to do. So scroll down, you see create a WhatsApp link, then set your phone number 9027979174. I just say hello, my name is, please, how can I put an end to the poor performance in the other room? So this is how it's going to show. They put their name, and then you can customize your message anyhow you want it to customize it. So copy the link, copy then go back to your ad manager. I said they should click the link on button, so this is the link that they are going to click, and then the button that they are going to click, I will also set it. The button that they are going to click, I will also set it to play other and this. Okay, now let's just see what I have put it. If you cannot perform very well in the other room, and show your madam that you are the right man she need in the other room to satisfy her well waiting you gain. Let me show you how you can become a new man in the other room from 30 seconds. Let me just change this here. From 30 seconds to minimum of 30 minutes. To minimum of 30 minutes. Okay, let me now see. This secret is for those that are having poor performance other room. Poor performance, let me say poor performance such as, I want to call it out here, such as weak erection, weak ejaculation, In fact, some people, they don't know quick ejaculation. What they know is fast spawning. All right. Small manhood. Low sperm count. Low libido. Low libido. Or you get, or you can't go more than one round at a time in the other room. Click the link or button below now to chat me up for a solution to play harder and last longer in the other room. So I can also add my phone number there, 09027979174, 27979174. Then scroll down now. Chat. Okay. Talk to. I can even say talk to Ola. Now I will be publishing this advert. Why I'm trying to do all this thing is that the page I created is not for this purpose. Ola did that I'm using. So I want to try and see a way to now navigate or make this page to suit this purpose I want to use it for. This page I just use it. I think you were there when I created it. So this is what I'm going to do. Talk to Oladi for this permanent solution today. Permanent solution today. I can say chat with consultant Oladi, so that they will be seeing it as my page that they are talking with Oladi, but Oladi for this permanent solution. All right, so what I need to even do here is that, let me go back here, because I just want everything to rhyme. So hello consultant, hello consultant Oladi, you understand? My name is this, and then generate the link, copy the link, go back here, put it here and paste. Yeah, all right, you see. So now I want to question that will be seen there. Some of you that have run Advert will be seeing that these are the default questions that will be coming, but I don't want that. Right, so I will cancel all this. So the same message I have put here is the same message I'm going to let them see as well. So let me just copy everything, go back here, and then V. All right, so I can just save this template right now. Text, save template. Sorry, I don't want it to. So save and finish. So it has been saved like that. So the next thing, now look at it. So when they click on this WhatsApp, it will take them to my WhatsApp DM, and this is the message, this is the preview message that they are going to see there. Right, so that is that about that. And then once you are done, just click on publish. All right, click on publish, and that settles the matter. That settles. Once you click on publish, it will go in review, so you can now start tracking your your ads on then your ad manager. So if I want to do that, this same account that I used to just set up, I'm going to log in the same account on my ad manager so that I can always monitor it. All right, so and that settles the matter. So let's see, look at it here. This is it here. Supercharge yourself, and then we are going to see how this thing is going to go at the end of the day. All right, so let me stop this.